Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to add a signature to a PDF document. We'll use the PDF24 Tools, online and free awesome tool for everyday use if you are using lots of PDF files and you need to edit them. You have a link in the description, or you can go to PDF24 Tools, and over here we'll choose our PDF file. Just click this button and I'll go to my desktop and I will choose this resource, click open. And underneath you can see our file. So if you want to, for example, add a signature over here, all you need to do is to click here in the top menu, add a signature. Now you can upload, you can capture signature by your camera, or you can just draw your signature. Let's just draw the signature, for example, over here. For example, we are add signature and click add signature, and now it says click on a signature to add it to the document. So click it and it's right here, so you can change the size of the signature and the position. And after that, if you are satisfied with this, you can just click here save PDF. It will go down and we'll wait for a few moments, and you can preview it here, show preview of the result, and you can see our document with our signature. And you can also, of course, you can close this here, hit download result, go to desktop and save it as a new PDF file. So if I open it up, you'll see your signature here. If you want to make your digital life even easier, be sure to check out this playlist here. It's packed with simple free tools that will help you handle all your PDF files and save you a ton of time.